Kitchen is the heart of home. And if this place is the heart, then it has to be immensely neat and organized so that you can have a healthy lifestyle.
Today in this video, I'm going to share some hacks related to storing the food efficiently in your kitchen so that it will not take much space and you will spend less time in cleaning them. So let's get started.
We usually store the gram flour, all purpose flour, oats in big round jars like these. But have you ever realized that when the quantity left is less, you have to go all the way down to the bottom of the jar to get the remaining flour from it, which is very difficult, unhygienic, and also makes your hands dirty. So always try to use these kind of clip and store boxes, which have a flat base, and you can easily put the flour into the box, and whenever you need it for the cooking, just open it. Since it's very wide, you can easily take it out in a bowl without making any mess on your kitchen's countertop. Keep a spoon on the top of it so that you can easily use it whenever you need it. These clip and store containers are from Borosil, and they are my all-time favorite. These are made up of 100% borosilicate glass and guaranteed to withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees Celsius. Airtight seal keeps odors out and freshness in. If you like to keep your basin inside the fridge, these containers can be safe to use inside the fridge and freezer. Keep it in your breakfast corner zone and super easy to use it whenever you need it. We all love to buy many chatter-putter snacks, all kinds of namkeens and biscuits to munch on whenever we feel a little hungry. So whenever I open any snack, I just use these clips to seal the packet to avoid the sogginess. But I have realized in this way we probably waste a lot. Sometimes we don't see and open another packet, and in this way probably the earlier opened one gets expired and ends up in the garbage. So to avoid that, open only 1 to 2 packets and use these small Borosil jars where you can easily see what's inside, and then keep them in your snack zone so that you can finish and then refill it with other things. These jars come with these lids which are airtight, and if your snacks become soggy, you can directly keep the jars without lid in the microwave for few seconds and let it cool. All the sogginess will be gone. These are microwave safe, it's tougher than ordinary glass, and it's scratch resistant. Because these are non-porous, they will not absorb stains and odor, and they are also very easy to clean as well. Labeling is very important when it comes to having an organized and aesthetically pleasing kitchen in your home. Labeling helps you to stay organized, and next time when you fill your pantry, you will know what to put where. Labels can be easily made at home or buy them online. If you're buying these black chalk-based labels, then there is a hack for you: not to buy any chalk pens to write on it. Just simply use white pencil color. They stay there for long and can be easily erased with the help of an eraser. So it's not like that you're using clear jars and containers so you don't have to label. Label will actually keep you on track and also helps you not to buy unnecessary things for your kitchen. If you're storing your spices in plastic containers, then avoid that. Spices carry a certain aroma and fragrance in them, which plastic absorbs over time. Plastic containers or ordinary glass will leach chemicals into your food after repeated usage. Also, when you keep turmeric or red chili powder, over time plastic changes its color, which becomes very difficult to clean. But these borosilicate jars are very easy to clean, and once you clean, they become all new again. Retains perfect clarity unlike soda lime glass. It will not turn cloudy with repeated usage. Always prefer glass over plastic. If you are planning to change some of the jars, start by investing in these Borosil jars and containers and contribute a little bit to this environment also. If you want to store your coriander leaves and want to keep it fresh for longer, then try to clean it nicely with water. Take a wet cotton cloth and store the coriander leaves into it like this. Cover the wet cotton cloth from all the sides and then take a glass clip and store container. Keep this wet cotton cloth into the box and cover it. After that, you can directly keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay longer and it will be fresh also. But here I am talking about the real meal prep. Some small changes can really go a long way in reducing your work and keeping you organized, whether it's your office, home, or kitchen. So, for that, what you can do is in advance cut the coriander leaves for the next 2 days. Then take a small glass clip and store container. Use paper towel or paper napkin to line the box. Keep the cut coriander leaves on the paper towel and then close the box. These are airtight and will keep the dhania stay fresh. And when you make your meal, just sprinkle it. No need to cut it again and again. These jars can be easily kept inside the fridge and they can also easily cleaned. Just remove the gasket from here, clean it and use it again. These are small things which always try to make your work easy, especially for the times when you are really very busy. As we are in the middle of peak summers and we all like to keep ourselves refreshed by drinking cool drinks. If you will keep them in the big steel pot, it will take a lot of space in the fridge. You cannot store them in the plastic bottles because it's not good for our health. Try to keep them in the glass bottles because citric juices react with the plastic. I use these Borosil glass bottles for storing drinks and water. They are made up of 100% borosilicate glass. The Cristo glass bottles are slim. Cylindrical shape makes it easy to grip and ensures that it fits nicely into the side of your refrigerator. Borosilicate glass is also freezer safe in case you quickly want to chill your drink. The narrow mouth makes it perfect for drinking directly from the bottle. And the crystal clear, starch proof ensures that your bottle looks as good as new always. As office has started and now we need to be extra cautious in terms of what we are eating, where we are eating and what we are eating in. Plastic is actually not good for our health at all. Since the food becomes cold by the office lunchtime, you might not prefer to use other serving plates from the office to heat to eat. So I started using these Borosil clip and store containers, which serves the purpose very well. I keep my husband's office meal in these containers. These are spill proof. Keep the food fresh for longer and when he needs to eat, he can simply open the lids and keep them in the microwave directly. Not to worry about anything. Now everyone wants to have some me time, and that me time can only be achieved by putting the right efforts in the right direction. Like in the kitchen, you can make your working hours less by using containers efficiently. Like I'm using this big round clip and store container where I can directly put the dosa batter. Use it directly to make one, and once I'm done, I can lock it and keep it directly in the fridge. No need to wash the utensils again and again. You can use these stackable containers where you can save space on your kitchen countertop. Just keep the food in it and stack them one over other to save huge space on the countertop. Use the containers where you can directly keep immediately cooked food and you don't have to worry about the food temperature. Just keep it in these as they can withstand up to 350 degrees Celsius. They are airtight and leak proof. And lastly, try to use the containers which can serve the purpose of serving as well, so that you don't have to wash many utensils. These Borosil clip and store containers are versatile in this sense. You can directly keep the hot food in it. They are airtight and also reduces your work in cleaning the different utensils. Just make sure you use a sponge to clean them and they are good as new. This is the one thing which I started during since lockdown. It is important to avoid unnecessary clutter and toxic plastic usage in the kitchen and try to be smart as much as possible. I usually look for things which can reduce my work. I choose the gadgets according to that and utensils also. Like every time when you need to drink hot water, why to put an electric kettle or pan on the stove to heat it? Simply use glasses, plates and katoris which can be directly kept in the microwave for heating. Like these sleek glasses from Borosil. Pour the milk and keep them in the microwave. Very simple, reduces much work in the kitchen. These katoris can also be used in the microwave to heat anything directly without worrying about anything.
If you are also planning to have an environmental friendly and healthy kitchen in your home, then you can find the links for all the products shown in today's video in the description box below. This is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these ideas useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.